How to fix microphone not working on Discord. Step 1. Select correct input device. Open up Discord. Click the setting icon. This page will appear. Click voice and video. Enter input device. Select your microphone. Speak into your microphone and check the meter is moving or not. So set it. After setting, you need to click mic test. Click and test the mic. It should moving like this. So if it's not moving means move on with next step. Allow microphone access in Windows. Open settings. Click privacy and security settings. Scroll down. Click microphone settings and verify microphone access and let app access your microphone. Both should be in enabled mode. If it is disabled means you need to enable it. Once enabling, after make sure Discord is allowed to use the microphone. Scroll down. Make sure let desktop app access your microphone should be enabled and Discord should be available or not. Close it and move on with next step. Set the correct default microphone. For this, click settings. Click sound settings. Under input section, select microphone, speak to confirm it. Select the microphone and you need to speak it. The volume bar should be moved from increase and decrease manner. Check it. Once checking after, move on with next step. Run Discord as administrator. Right click Discord, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. The next step, reset Discord voice settings. If none of the things are not working means the last and final things, open up Discord. Open Discord settings. Select voice and video. Scroll down. Under advanced section you have reset all voice and video settings are there. Click it and reset it. After reset you need to restart your device. After restart confirm and test your microphone. Thank you.